ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन इज सिलेक्शन. अभी तक तुमने जो भी किया इज ऑल अरेंजमेंट. ठीक है, आई हैव नॉट यूज द वर्ड अरेंजमेंट इंटेंशनली सो दैट आई डोंट वांट टू कंफ्यूज यू, बट व्हाटएवर वी हैव डन द अरेंजमेंट. इसको अरेंज करो, उसको अरेंज करो. नाउ यू वांट टू सिलेक्ट अ कमेटी. ठीक है, इसमें दो टाइप का क्वेश्चन आएगा. फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, देयर आर 5 इंजीनियर्स, 3 मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स एंड 2 बायो का स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, आई वांट टू सिलेक्ट अ कमेटी ऑफ 3 पीपल in which there have to be 1 engineer, 1 maths person, 1 bio person. See, we you choose mat karo. Let's use a common sense. First 1 seat 5, 3, 2. Yeah. But the problem in this case is that, okay, this case is fairly simple. What about this case? Where I want 2 engineers and 1 bio. सी भी छोड़ा है. 5 into 4 into bio 2. But there's something wrong somewhere. 2 engineers आ गए, 2 people are same. It's like R B balls. So divide by factorial 2. Why? Because they're 2 engineers. I'm using the concept of Mississippi wala. If they're 2 engineers, so divide by factorial 2. No. 2 engineer ना, E1, E2, E2, E1. You can pick up anyone. If you are selecting, you can select engineer number 1 or engineer number 2. Will not make a difference to the society or the committee. So that's why divide by factorial 2. Because of that reason, whenever you are selecting, it's always easier to use NCR. Fine. So let me retrack my words. So instead of using this thing, it's always easy to use 5C2 into 2C1. So wherever you are selecting a team, use NCR. See, end of the day, objective is to solve the question. If shortcut I no problem. Fine. So whenever we are doing committee, I use NCR. Otherwise, I'll always use the normal common sense thing. I can use the common sense, but the thing is, it will be confusing at some time. NCR likha, so at least calculation part is remaining. Your understanding ka part is over. Then let me give you 3 easy cases to remember this thing. If you are able to understand these 3 cases, your life will become simple. A committee of selection of 11 cricketers have to be done. I have to select 5 cricketers out of 11. How many ways you can select 5 cricketers? 11C5. Fine. I can also do, there are 5 seats, so 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Divide by factorial 5 because 5 of them are common. Or I can use simply say 11C5. Case number 1, simple case. Case number 2, how many ways you can select this team that Ganguly should not be there. So एक player नहीं होना चाहिए. Typical Indian example. So you are left with 10C5. Third case where Sachin should always be there. Like typical Indian team, Sachin, तुम्हारा धोनी, ये 10 लोग तो होने चाहिए, बाकी जो बचा. So 1 person should always be there. So mean 10C4. 1 is reduced from here, 1 is gone from here. Any doubt in these 3 cases? Second wala case. Alright, second case says there are 1 person Ganguly should never be there. So mean instead of selection of 11 people, you are down to 10. But you want to select the complete team of 5 people. So 10C5. And last is 10C5. Sorry, 10C4. Where Sachin should always be there. Alright, so let's do one last question. You have to select, there are 10 batsmen. There are 6 bowlers. There are 3 wicket keepers. You have to select a cricket team of 11 people. You have to select 11 people such that there should be 6 batsmen, 4 bowlers and 1 wicket keeper. You have to select a team of 11 people. Let's keep it simple. First question. So this is 10C6 into 6C4. Fine. Second case, you are selecting Indian team. जिनमें ये 3 बैट्समैन तो आएंगे ही आएंगे, बिकॉज ये पक्का इनका सीट, ठीक है। धोनी विल बी अ कैप्टन फॉर अनदर 2-3 years बिकॉज आईपीएल चेन्नई का जो कैप्टन है धोनी, एंड आईपीएल चेन्नई की टीम इज ओन्ड बाय श्रीनिवासन हु इज अ बीसीसीआई का हेड, बीसीसीआई की सिलेक्शन कमेटी का हेड, फाइन, बीसीसीआई का हेड, ठीक है। तो बीसीसीआई का हेड अगर वो धोनी को निकाल देता देन चेन्नई की रेटिंग विल गो डाउन। That's why over the last 1 year, even though Dhoni had not performed that well, he was in the team. There are politics around, so you have to understand that. So 3 बैट्समैन तो आने ही चाहिए, बाकी तुम देख लो जिसको चूज करना है। सेम फॉर बॉलर, रुको इंडियन टीम चूज हो रही है, 2 बॉलर पक्का फिक्स है, उसके अलावा यू सिलेक्ट द टीम, रिमेनिंग टीम, एंड 1 विकेट कीपर इज ऑलरेडी फिक्स, नाउ यू सिलेक्ट द टीम। So total out of 10 batsmen, 3 are already selected, so you are left with 7C3, 6 bowler, 2 are already there, so remaining 4C2, and wicket keeper no need to select that, already there, he is already selected, so it has to be 1. So 7C3 into 4C2 into 1, just 4C2 into 1. Alright, so basically we've taken a case where there are a lot of constraints, but still life is simple. Alright, any doubt?